Hey, in this video I'm going to give you a tour of the American Airlines Lounge. So this is where I'm hanging out in between cruises. I left Carnival Dream. I'm getting ready to go on another Carnival ship in Miami. I don't want to say the name of it just yet. I'll let you know once I get on it. And so this video is going to show you what it's like for me in between cruises when I'm flying from one port to another. Technically not one port to another, but that's what this is, similar to what it looks like. So my cousin makes these really delicious cookie cakes. I call them cakes because they are so thick and yummy. They're super yummy when they're first fresh baked, but they've cooled off now. But I'm still making a video. I'm gonna eat this as soon as I finish making the video. But yeah, they are so super delicious that my aunt in Arizona wanted some of the cookie dough, so we froze it. And just so you know, you can bring food like this on. I brought sweet potato pies before a long time ago, but you can bring cookie dough through the TSA. And this bag here has my snacks in it, so this does not count. This does not count towards my luggage allowance. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy my cookie cake. Look how thick this thing is. I'm going to enjoy my cookie cake and give you a tour of what the lounge looks like. Yummy. So I'm here at the American Airlines, what is this called? Lounge, Airport Lounge, and I'm at gate A25. My gate is right next to the lounge, and I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what it looks like in the airport lounge in case you have to stay here. Left my cousin, had a really good time, but I like to get to the airport very early, so I have at least 2.5 hours before my flight starts boarding. And I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. So it costs, if you have certain credit cards, I'll show it's a poster over there with the credit card on it. I'll point it out when I get over there. If you have that credit card, then you don't need to pay anything. If you don't, then you can use your American Airlines points, which is 7,500 points. And I chose not to use my points for this, or you can pay $75 for a day pass, which is what I did. And it's good for 24 hours, so I can use it here. And then once I get to Phoenix, if I'm still waiting for my my other cousin to come pick me up, then I can just hang out in the lounge over there. But I just rather sit over here and finish up editing the video that I'm working on. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek now. All right, and this is where I am sitting. I got all my crap out right now. I'm gonna organize it in a sec, but this is part of the lounge. And it's a full circle, so I'm gonna just take you around so you can see the whole thing. This is the entrance. And this is the friendly lady who helped me. And this is the credit card that, if you have this credit card, you get unlimited access with that credit card. As long as you're traveling on American or One World, you have unlimited pass. All the food and beverages, including the alcohol, is included. There is no charge for anything. Of course, you can leave tips if you want, but I haven't really even checked out everything here. Peanut nougat bar, so you're seeing it as I see it. I thought all of the drinks were free. Some of them are upcharge. There's a list of the free drinks, so you get all of these for free, and then I guess there's some other drinks that you can pay an upcharge for these. All of these are included.
No.
Oh, all of these are extra.
Premium, yes.
A premium. Okay, thank you. And of course, there are restrooms back here. Do the restrooms have showers in them? No showers, but there's restrooms are right here. And this is one area you can sit in. They said mainly this area is for eating, so you don't really see any outlets over here. And this is, I don't know if that's the plane I'm getting on. Maybe. No. But I'm at A25, so after this plane leaves, my plane will be next. And this is the food that is included. So you got sodas here, you got coffee and teas, those frou-frou drinks that you can get, and you got these nuts here, all kinds of tea and fruits. Of course, they're gonna give you some treats, some sweet treats. And I'm guessing I'm going the wrong way because these are soup. Well, you need the soup cup to get the soup. But these are the toppings. Tomato basil bisque. Looks pretty good. And even clam chowder. And this is what the rest of the lounge looks like. It's a lot of seating, and all of the seating have outlets where you can plug in. And we're back over to my area again. Yes, I have this whole area to myself because it was empty when I got here, but then I pulled out my GoPro, and nobody wanted to interrupt me, so I think they're giving me my space, which is cool. But there's plenty of seating here, no big deal. There's complimentary Wi-Fi, of course, and that is it. That is your tour of the American Airlines Airport Lounge in Houston in Terminal A.